You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this adjective correctly. There are different pronunciations indeed, so make sure to stay tuned to learn how it's pronounced in British English and in the US. Pronounced as fertile, that's British English pronunciation. How it's pronounced in the UK, probably the most common pronunciation in English, fertile. Now, the Americans say it as fertile, fertile. Yes, it's the same as hostile, agile, and quite a few other words like this. You have the split between British English and American English pronunciation. So how to pronounce fertile or fertile. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.